Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Joining us in the studio today, Miss Caitlin. How's your winter been, Caitlin?
Busy.
Busy?
Yes.
You got through all Christmas, and now we're getting ready for spring. And you've been working with your team. So what's happening? What's going on?
A lot of new people, training, new customers, getting them in the schedule. More so just working everybody in fast as we can.
The spring's going to be busy.
Oh, yeah.
Gotcha. So what's new in the office, either software-wise, people-wise? You changed any processes around the spring to be able to accommodate more people? What's happening?
So a little bit of new in all directions. We have some new people in the office, training them. We're also using a new software, so we're all getting used to that. Got new technicians, so we're getting some more people booked.
So a lot of new things going on in addition.
Definitely.
Still got all the old folks.
Yes.
A lot of folks have been with us a lot of years, but you're also training new.
Yes.
Okay. Does some folks retire? Some folks move on to different things. Some folks, a lot of reasons, a lot of things.
Yep.
You know, and some folks are not doing the same position they were before. Some folks moved from the office out in the field to the office. So it's a lot of things going on.
Exactly. Yeah.
So Caitlin, when folks are calling in and during the spring rush, what's something that you see year in, year out, and folks always have a hard time with or don't think of on their own, and you hear all about it?
So I think the most thing that we hear over and over again is going to be people that forgot to winterize or didn't winterize in time.
So they forget for what reasons you hear that they forgot?
I think I've heard a little bit of everything. They didn't know that they needed to winterize.
But they've only had it for 25 years, so
Yeah.
obviously they knew, they forgot.
Yeah, or you get the customers that we just installed last year, and we've tried to reach out to them, or somehow
you reached them
missed.
You tried to reach them multiple times by email, voice.
Yeah, and
text,
then
and they
somehow
still
we
didn't
miss
respond?
each other, right? And then
Gotcha.
their backflow bust. They don't want to pay for a new one. Or we get older customers who just forget. They're not.
That happens, right? Honest.
Yeah, they're not in Maryland. They're in Florida for the winter.
They forget about it.
They just forgot all about it.
It's not in front of them.
Exactly.
Okay. Sometimes people do make mistakes, and other times people are just being ignorant about it. And
Yeah.
Ignorant just because we don't know. And some people just don't know, right? If it's a brand new customer.
Yeah, that, and then like the Maryland weather is crazy. So like this year, in November, people are still running their systems.
Oh yeah.
The end
it
of
was
November.
late. We didn't have any freezes until all the way to Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
You
So
know?
people just don't think about it. Holidays.
So you hear about it. You and the girls hear about it.
Oh, definitely.
Oh,
Every year.
Sometimes
we
it gets
get-
kind of colorful, huh?
Yes.
But you handle them all. That's the bottom line, right? You make everybody happy. You try the best you
Yeah,
can.
definitely. We try to work with everybody the best of our ability. You get people who don't want to pay for it. They think it should be under warranty.
Or should
even
be
though,
free.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha. So, Caitlin, if we had one thing we could tell clients going into fall next year, what would that be? What would you tell folks?
Do not forget to winterize your systems.
Do not forget to winterize your lawn sprinkler system. And this wraps up, Caitlin, another episode with you. Appreciate you coming in today.
No problem, Bob.
This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. We'll see you next week with another episode.